Hello everyone, my name is Rupal Dubey and today I'm going to speak on For the Motions. The COVID-19 pandemic is the first and foremost crisis that we are facing now. Not only COVID-19, we are facing a lot of many other crises as well. So because of this, many of the countries have decided to close their universities, college and schools for a period of time in this lockdown. So many of the policy makers are facing a dilemma between closing school or keeping them open. So they have come up with the idea of digital learning so that students can access the education at their home only. So according to the data shows that people or students who are attending the online classes at home are facing a lot of issue while attending their online classes. As a student, we are also facing a lot of issue, like we are facing the internet connectivity issue, we are facing health issue, we are not able to understand what our professor are teaching us. So this kind of issue we are facing while attending our online classes. So I would like to question you all, that the person who are not able to assess or fulfill their basic need, the people who are not able to feed a food to their family for one time, how can we expect from them to assess the knowledge, assess the technology for this online classes? So there's a news came up from the Kerala in the morning that a guy committed a suicide because he was not able to access the online classes because of poor network connectivity. So these kind of problem that we are facing, not this problem the student who are facing or the poor people who are facing, our family also facing a kind of anxiety environment during this lockdown because of this online classes. So teaching is moving online on untested scale, or student assessment got cancelled, or assessment getting on moving to online with lot of trials and error. So not only student assessment, many of the main qualifications like UPSC, judiciary, and medical exams are getting postponed or getting cancelled. So these issue is not a short term issue, this can be a long term consequence, and this will give the negative effect on our education system. So as a student, I believe that today we are having the online examination. So this will lead to a malpractice, and the students who are getting promoted without any examination, this will give a negative effect to a student learning as well as on education system. So according to me, that it is hard to rebuild this loss again, and in the future we'll definitely face the consequences on our education system. So I believe that government should take a concerned step on this, and they should come up with a more reliable resource for serving the education to everyone. Thank you.